Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into whether Moosend is worth it for bloggers in 2024. As a blogger, email marketing is an essential tool for growing your audience, engaging with your readers, and ultimately monetizing your blog. Moosend offers a range of features that make it a valuable platform for bloggers looking to take their email marketing to the next level. First and foremost, Moosend provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the email marketing process for bloggers of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced blogger, you'll find Moosend's drag-and-drop email builder intuitive and easy to use. This means you can create visually appealing emails without any coding knowledge, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling content for your subscribers. Additionally, Moosend offers advanced automation features that can help bloggers streamline their email marketing efforts. With Moosend, you can set up automated workflows to welcome new subscribers, nurture leads, and re-engage inactive subscribers. This automation can save you time and effort while ensuring that your email campaigns are always running efficiently. Another standout feature of Moosend is its comprehensive reporting and analytics tools. As a blogger, it's crucial to track the performance of your email campaigns to understand what content resonates with your audience. Moosend provides detailed insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. One of the best things about Moosend for bloggers is its generous free trial offer. You can try all of Moosend's advanced features for free for 30 days, with no credit card required. This gives you the opportunity to test out the platform and see firsthand how it can benefit your blogging efforts. In conclusion, Moosend is definitely worth it for bloggers in 2024. With its user-friendly interface, advanced automation features, and comprehensive reporting tools, Moosend can help you grow your audience, engage with your readers, and ultimately achieve your blogging goals. Plus, with the free trial offer, there's no reason not to give Moosend a try. You can sign up for the free trial using the link in the description and see for yourself why Moosend is the perfect email marketing platform for bloggers.